Today we are going to make a mini Tesla coil. Let's start then. At first you need 34 SWG copper wires. Make a roll of it around a pipe like this.
Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no they don't fade away. So when I'm gone,
now you need some normal wires. And a piece of plastic also. Roll the wire 6 turns around the piece of plastic. Now take a switch. Now you need a high power voltage generator. Now take a 4-volt battery.
Close to the sun. Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end.
This one is for ground.
So when I'm gone,
now this thing is ready.
I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the
Thanks for watching.